What up?
I'm telling you, it's too early right now.
What is up, guys? Today we're gonna attempt to drive the RSX to a body shop and see if we can get the front bulkhead and the rear quarter panel replaced. But first, before we do that, I need to replace the power steering reservoir. So yeah, let's get it. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's freezing outside. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, just got the car back on the ground. Oh, look who's here. What up?
Morning.
Yo, the bromance is real right now.
No, it's too early. Too early right now. What time is it? I'm telling you, it's too early right now.
Alright, so I just put the car back on the floor. The plan is to bring the car out, fix the power steering fluid, and then head over to the body shop. Oh, man. Savage.
Yeah. No power steering. Alright, we just got the replacement for the power steering reservoir right here, and we're just gonna swap it out real quick. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Alright, come on.
Alright, we just switched out the power steering reservoir and now some Acura OEM power steering fluid.
Yeah, so it wasn't too bad of just replacing that. It took us like less than 5 minutes. Never takes us that. Oh, you gotta pop that. Fail. Yo, is it frozen? Watch me steal. Oh my god. Don't mess up. Getting it? A lot better now? Gonna have to keep on turning it.
Yeah.
All the way left, all the way right.
Get all the air out. Workout. Oh, but you can feel loose.
So let's put more fluid in. Right? Oh, it's a lot better now. You can do it with one hand now.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we made it to my favorite shop, RPMNYC.
Yeah.
The RSX made it.
Slowly.
Yeah, it was real slow. 20 miles per hour. We made it in one piece. Yeah, this side looks like it really has not too much damage, but damn, that front is
like,
horribly messed up.
Eyes are like cross-eyed.
Made it in one piece. There was a little bit of rubbing on the bumps and stuff, but yeah, we're here. Hopefully, to bring some life back into this RSX.
It's the first drive since we also put back the control arm.
Yes.
So I'm not sure. I wasn't in the car, but how did it feel when you were driving it?
It felt okay. It almost felt nostalgic, you know, like having not been able to drive this car for some time already. All right, we're gonna give you a sneak peek, a tiny little tour on the goodies they got inside.
Yeah, wait until you see what kind of cars they got. It's crazy.
Later.
Alright, we just got back from the shop.
Yeah, so we got a few bad news. The cost to fix this is a lot. And we got a few choices that we're kind of thinking about right now. Either to get a shell. We're gonna have to get a shell regardless, right? And either to swap the quarter panels and the front core support and everything. That's gonna be a lot more labor and more expensive. And what is the other option, Gary?
Alright, so as Matt was saying, if we're gonna get a donor car because the damage was more extensive than we originally thought. Some of the rear frame needs to be replaced. They're planning to cut that out and replace it.
Yeah, so they're gonna cut from like this part to this part, and they're just gonna have to do a lot more labor to cut to take out the welds and take out the shell. So that's gonna be a lot of work for them, and also have to get it on the frame and to pull some of the panels out because it's a little bit pushed in. They said like an inch or two, even for the front.
Yeah, there's actually a little bit of front frame damage. So the other plan is to basically get a donor shell, another car, and transplant everything over. which seems like the most cost-effective way at the moment.
It's cheaper, but then you're gonna get like all original parts. It's never been to an accident, so that's like something that we have to consider. And also the time frame. It's faster to get that car up and running, just transferring the engine, the tranny over the suspension and the brakes.
I'm in a little bit of a predicament. My original plan was to fix the car, and that's, I don't know if it's just a change in plan. I wanted to have this car fixed, but the cheaper method is actually getting a shell. So I'm going to sit on it a little bit.
Yeah.
I am going to go see a shell later today. Maybe I'll bring you guys along. Yeah, hopefully we can get this car running soon.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping we can go out to Grid Life, maybe meet some of you guys out there, maybe have at least a running car.
For sure. That's for sure you're going to have a running car, but it's just the option that we have to decide on. We have to sit on it and just contemplating time-wise and the cost-wise, which would be a better choice.
Again, thank you guys for tuning in with us.
Yeah, so if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and also, you know, if you want to see what we're going to be doing with this car, just follow us on Instagram as well at Ikigai_driven.
And always, don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
See you guys.
Peace!